You've been eating pasta wrong your entire life. Not the sauce, not the cooking, the shape, that twist, that tube, that tiny curve. Every pasta shape exists for one reason: to trap sauce perfectly. And once you understand this, you'll never pick pasta randomly again. Let's break down every major pasta shape and what it's actually meant for. First up, long pasta, spaghetti, linguine. These are built for smooth, flowing sauces. Olive oil, light tomato, creamy Alfredo, because there are no ridges, nothing to hold heavy sauce. So instead, the sauce coats, not clings. That's why thick meat sauce with spaghetti, big mistake. It just slides right off. Now, flat pasta, fettuccine, tagliatelle, wider surface, more contact, better grip. This is where creamy sauces shine. They spread evenly, and every bite feels rich. Next, tube pasta, penne, rigatoni, ziti. These aren't random shapes. They're sauce traps. Holes inside, ridges outside, which means sauce goes inside and outside. Perfect for chunky sauces, meat sauces, baked pasta. Anything heavy stays put. Now, twisted pasta, fusilli, rotini. They look fun, but they're engineered chaos. All those spirals grab sauce from every angle. Nothing escapes. Best for pesto, thick tomato, cream with herbs, maximum flavor, every bite. Now the underrated ones: small pasta, macaroni, farfalle, orzo. These aren't meant to dominate the dish. They're built for balance. Salads, soups, quick meals, where everything works together. Now we level up. Stuffed pasta, ravioli, tortellini. This isn't just pasta. This is a sealed flavor bomb. The sauce here is not the star. It's support, because the real flavor is inside. And then lasagna sheets, flat, wide, layered. This is architecture. Each layer holds sauce, cheese, meat, built like a structure, not just food. So remember this: smooth pasta coats, flat pasta grips, tube pasta holds, twisted pasta traps. Match the shape to the sauce, and everything changes. So here's the truth: pasta shape isn't design, it's function. It decides how much sauce you hold, how much flavor you taste, and whether your dish actually works. And once you see it, you can't unsee it, because from today onwards, it's not just pasta anymore. It's a delivery system for sauce. And yeah, you've probably been choosing wrong till now.